Myself Danya, pursuing BTech third year at Geetam University. Today, here I am having one of the senior who got placed in Vachusa with 4 lakh package. Hi Ka,
Hi Danya.
how are you?
Good. You?
In days, pandemic days.
Like what is there? Online classes? Like
Yeah. Akka, you are from CSC, right? Uh, how was your experience as a Geetam in CSC?
actually, Geetam was not my choice. Geetam ಬರ್ಬೇಕಂತ ನಾನೇ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. I landed up in Geetam, and then I wanted to do something different. Like I wanted to do triple EC or something. But I got to know that like if you join to CSC, you have the option of going like, for booking. If you go to CSC, you can book the others. So I booked for CSC and like with interest or without interest, I joined. Later, like I loved my subject, so it went on.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ ಗೀತಮಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆದಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ?
ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ ವೆರಿ ಫ್ಯೂ ಕೇಮ್ ಲೈಕ್ I went the first day, so very few came, and there were 8 people in the hostel, so we already had friends. I already had friends in the hostel, and ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, everyone got different different ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ವಿ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ನನಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ ವಾಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಆಸಮ್, and we made like teachers asked us why did you join Geetam 13. Like we had fun on the first day.
ಮತ್ತೀಗ ನೀವು ಯು ಸೆಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹಾಸ್ಟೆಲ್. ಹೌ ವಾಸ್ ದಟ್ ಡೇಸ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಅಟ್ ಹಾಸ್ಟೆಲ್?
We miss being at hostel. Like you have friends, you keep chit chatting with them, you read, you play, like you do a lot of things in hostel. But being at home, I miss them. Like I miss my hostel days. I miss my friends in hostel.
ಯಾ ಲೈಕ್ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಆಗಿರೋ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ GC ಇಂದ ಆಗಿರೋ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್, ಅವ್ರು ಏನನ್ನ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗು ಆ ಥರ ಏನನ್ನ?
Yeah, GC is like a super support. And see, namak gottir pandemic alli bringing these many companies and getting us placed is like one of the biggest milestones. So thanks to all the GC team, and they're always for a support. Andre it could be very minor thing. Andre nan database alli enadru changes ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, so you can directly contact faculty coordinators. They're always helpful, and trainings ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, like everything. So all my GC team, I should actually thank them from bottom of my heart, because getting us placed even during this pandemic is great.
ಯಾ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ ಕಡೆ. ಲೈಕ್ when did you start preparing yourself for placement?
I actually started, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಆಪ್ಟಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಡಿಮೆ. So ನನ್ನ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ಸ್, I used to take so much information from seniors. ಅಂದ್ರೆ I used to be in contact with them. So ನಾನು ಸೀನಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಆಪ್ಟಿ ಓದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಆಪ್ಟಿ ಓದು. ಸೊ ನಾನು C2 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಬಟ್ ನಮ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೆಗ್ಲಿಜೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ತಾನೆ, ಸೊ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಐ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್, ಲೈಕ್ sometimes I used to stop, and then actually ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ನಿ ಬರೋ I started studying then, like very strictly, like ಮಾಡ್ಲೇಬೇಕು ಈಗ ಅನ್ನೋಂಗೆ. when I got to know that our first company is going to come, ಆಗ I started like
Yeah, second company was Vachusa. I got placed in that. Yeah, it was really nice. ಅಕ್ಕ, Vachusa ಕಂಪನಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಚೂರು?
So it is a MNC where ನನ್ನ ರೋಲ್ ಬಂದು ಫುಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಡೆವಲಪರ್, ಜಾವಾ ಫುಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಕ್. ನಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ನಡೀತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ 3 rounds. So first one was a written test. So written test ಅಲ್ಲಿ in Virtusa written test ಅಲ್ಲಿ aptitude ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, like
Oh, nice.
ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. We had MCQs for Java, HTML, CSS, JavaScript ಹಂಗೆ MCQs ಇತ್ತು, and coding questions ಅಂತ 4 questions ಇತ್ತು. So ಇವೆರಡು ಮ್ಯಾಂಡೇಟರಿ, ಲೈಕ್ MCQs ಕೋಡಿಂಗ್ ನೀನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರೌಂಡ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಪವರ್ ಕೋಡಿಂಗ್, ಅದು ಆಪ್ಷನಲ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ ಫಾರ್ 6.5 lakhs. So I was able to solve mandatory questions. Power coding ಅಲ್ಲಿ there were 3 questions, I solved one, and then I was qualified for the PR interview. ಆಮೇಲೆ PR ಅಲ್ಲಿ they asked me questions, basic questions and data structure ಹಂಗೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಆಮೇಲೆ HR ಒನ್ ಡೇ ಅಲ್ಲಿ HR TR 2 ಆಗೋಯ್ತು.
When we go for coding and all, if you know basics is enough, or like should we go deep into that?
Actually Virtusa ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವೆರಿ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ you need not write the whole program, you just need to write the logic of it. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾತ್ರ, ಆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ನಿನಗೆ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. Virtusa ಹಂಗೆ ಲೈಕ್ you should know the logic to build it.
ಈಗ ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂಗೆ ಹೋಗಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ನರ್ವಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬಿಟ್ ನರ್ವಸ್ ಬೀಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಟು ಓವರ್ಕಮ್ ದಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಸೇ ಎನಿ ಟಿಪ್ಸ್?
ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನನಗೂ ನರ್ವಸ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಲೈಕ್ ನಾನೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಲೈಕ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಐ ಫರ್ಗಾಟ್ ದಟ್ ದೇರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 hour ಮುಂಚೆ ಐ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಮೈ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್, ಲೈಕ್ ಓಕೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೆಂಗು ನರ್ವಸ್ ಬೀಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ ಫೇಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ, ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 1 hour ಇಂದ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಚಿಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಮೈ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ, ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಲೈಕ್ ಹೌ ಪೀಪಲ್ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್. ನಾನಂತೂ ಇನ್ನ ಹೋಗಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. ನಾನು ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ ಟೈಮ್ ಬಂದು ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಆದೆ.
We should be calm, that's it.
ಕಾಮ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಇವಾಗ ನೀನ್ ನರ್ವಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಅವ್ರು ಏನಾದ್ರು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಈವನ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ನೋ ದಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಟೆಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಔಟ್.
ಬ್ಲಾಂಕ್ ಮೈಂಡ್.
ಸೊ ಅದ್ ಫೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಕಾಮ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗಿ 1 hour ಮುಂಚೆ ಏನ್ ಓದ್ತೀರಾ, ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ till where you find place, come back, and that's how I overcome.
Some will be in mindset like due to this pandemic we won't get that much knowledge, like we cannot get to that people's. Can you suggest any platform?
Okay, ನಾನು ತುಂಬಾ ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಜಾವಾ ಟಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. I learned things from there, and I also started doing HackerRank problems. So I used Java T Point and this one, and W3 Schools. W3 Schools is good for learning programs like languages.
Again, some people's mindset is like due to this pandemic it has affected to placements, right? What is your talk on that?
See, it's actually a great opportunity, and then you have lot of time. ಈಗ ನನ್ನ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ on, like I have interest on some front-end development. ನಾನು ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ they'll teach me Java, but they'll not teach me front-end development and all. No? So we can learn. We can learn it on ourselves. So I think if we use, ನಾನು first lockdown ಅಲ್ಲಿ I wasted my time, but after that I learned something for my placements. So it's just mindset. You actually have a lot of time to study.
Like some people will be interested in doing internships and like courses. For doing internships or courses, do you suggest any platforms for that?
Actually, courses, Coursera, we are getting Coursera. In that only we have projects, right? It's good to work on projects in Coursera. That's what I did.
Uh, do you like to give any suggestions for us or like juniors?
Uh, like, okay, I recommend you see learning. You can start learning because you just said we have mindset due to this pandemic we can't get placed. See, there's nothing like that. Whenever you find time, because aptitude I felt very difficult. So you people, what I suggest is work on your aptitude and learn simple logics for programming. These both would be sufficient for interview.
Yeah, like we should work out.
You should work on your aptitude because that is the first step. If you clear that only, you will go for the next step, right? So I suggest you to work on aptitude. But if you're great in that, then work on programming languages, like programming.
Some they'll be saying like if we clear first round, then we can do the second round. Like it,
Yeah,
like they'll be saying like if we clear written one, we can manage somehow HR. Is it true?
no, that's absolutely wrong because I know many people, like many of my friends who cleared written test and
Got rejected.
cleared TR also, like technical round,
Yeah.
like technical round and HR round. If it is like after technical round, there are some companies for each round there is an elimination round. So how much you prepare for the first round, the same preparation is required for the second round too. Because I know a lot of people. Why like someone? It's me. Like I cleared my first round in DXC, but I couldn't clear the second round. So it is not true. Like everywhere you need a preparation.
Yeah. So finally, would you like to say regards? Like, would you like to thank anyone?
I am very thankful to my GCGC team, all my teachers and my friends, my seniors too, because they helped me a lot. And I would like to thank everyone who supported me and made my life good at GCGC.
Yeah. Yeah, Akka, it was nice talk to you.
Thanks for
Thank you.
the interview.
Yeah.